Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, a channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Today we're going to be talking about pre. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you guys are new to the channel. If you guys are OG, you guys already know about the link down below. But if you guys are new, there's a link for the Money Bags Mansion down below. We're going to be talking about this. This is a Money Bag alert. I jumped into TG. I jumped into their space on X, formerly known as Twitter. But we're going to do some price prediction and technical analysis at the end of the video, of course. But let's go ahead and start off with their website. Make sure you guys get tapped in with pre and what we're doing over here. The vibe is turned up. I'm not gonna lie, this one's got me feeling pretty good. I dropped it into Money Bags Mansion as a Money Bag alert, of course, not financial advice. Do your own research, but this one's pre-rich, pre-this, pre-that. Where are you at when you come to pre? And I like the type of environment. It was turned up. You know, obviously Solana is pumping right now, and we got the 2021 vibes going hard right now. I'm going to play this track right here. Hopefully pre does not copy strike me, but if it does, oh well. Let's go ahead and turn up with pre a little bit real quick. I liked this. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Just look at me, hey, my fit so clean. I'm feeling pre. What does that mean? I'm feeling pre-rich, I'm feeling pre-rich, I'm feeling pre-rich, I'm feeling pre-rich. My fit the cleanest. Just look at me, trick. I'm on my pre-ish. I'm feeling pre-rich, I'm feeling pre. I'm feeling pre.
Whoa. Okay, now you guys feeling pre, because I mean that turned me up ASAP right in the morning. I mean the space was turned up, the TG's turned up, the chart is turned up. So are you turned up? Are you pre-turned up? Are you pre-rich? Are you pre-Lambo? Are you doing your thing to make sure that you are, you know, ahead of what's already to come, right? So this is what you're doing. Obviously we got the memes going on right here. This one's crazy. This one hurts my eyes a little bit, but we got Vegeta doing his thing. We got, you know, normal memes. That's what we got going on. So let's go to the X page before we check out the chart. That is pre-pumping. It's still pre doing his thing right now. So still pretty early on this one, cruising at let's see, we're at 767,000 market cap, and you know, this is where we're at with this one right here. So let's go and check out their X page really quick. Make sure you guys are following them. They are at pre on Sol. Try to get at least 100 likes on this video. You know, make the YouTube algorithm push it out. Get more exposure for pre, especially you know, with Solana pumping like that. Come over here to their X page. Also give me a follow on my X page at Rico Moneybags. But come over here and tap in, and as you can see, you know, most of these posts are getting a lot of engagement, but we got to stay turned up. If you guys missed this, you know, come listen to it or whatnot. That's why I came and dropped the video. 586 people tuned in to this space, so that's pretty huge. So we should be able to get, you know, at least 100 likes on this video. Push really hard if you guys are still pumped up. If you guys are trying to push this to the next level, you know, it takes engagement on all social media platforms, not just, this is what I'm talking about right here. This is the vibe right here. I got to retweet this right here. Shout out to this right here. Pre-cook. I like this. They already got the mugs. And shout out to them already having like a lot of the merch. Like, we're going to scroll down a little bit more before we get to the price predictions or whatnot. And we're early on this one. They got the mugs already, pre-caffeinated. They got the hats. You know, they got a lot of stuff already. It's pretty early. This one's brand new. So let's go ahead and see where we're at right now. This is where we found support. We'll talk about this channel, this all-time high. And, you know, you guys try to get this video out there, push it really hard. You guys are brand new onto the scene. And the best way to do that is make some noise on the videos, make some noise on the socials. You guys know what's up, you know, make noise on everything that you guys can as we're, you know, breaking out this little channel right here. Go back towards all-time highs. This is where we're at right now. So if you're looking to get in, you know, this is support. This is a resistance that most likely becomes a support once again in this section over here. I can see this one kind of pushing out. We're seeing the buy pressure, so we're probably going to see something like this. Push back up to test this all-time high that we just had, to then have a continuation up here and break out. It could consolidate, you know, whatnot. It could just go parabolic. All these things are possible because it's such a low market cap. You know, this can go pretty crazy. We're super early, obviously, but, you know, I like to practice and show people to, you know, load up on the supports instead of resistance, because like that, you know, let's face it, they don't have that that panic selling stuff. You know, when people buy the tops and they start seeing the chart sell, they kind of panic sell. But if you're constantly buying on pullbacks and buying on supports, it feels like a good rhythm. It's a good routine and a good practice to have overall. But, you know, right now we're at 6.5. going to erase that zero. Once we get above that zero, we make a support up here. That's going to be our new floor, and we're just going to push up from there. But it's all going to be about getting above that zero, erasing that zero, putting that one back on there to chase to go to that 1 cent, right? That's where a lot of the FOMO happens and things like that. So getting back over that $1 million market cap is super bullish, and you know, right now it's kind of a fire sale. If you think that this has the right meme capabilities, the right community, are they turned up enough to really push this one? And Solana and the markets are overall in our favor. You know, we still got Bitcoin over 51,000. We got ETH at 2770. So the markets are still very bullish overall. So this one has a lot of potential. We'll keep an eye on this one. Make sure you guys join the Moneybags Mansion. So like that, if you didn't get a YouTube notification, at least you could check in there and see what I'm doing. There's a lot of special things going to be coming to that really soon. Cooking something up really nice for everybody. But until then, you guys keep coming back and continue to experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is.